I don't know, I was pretty good when I first started this game.
I tried playing once and I started screaming and then I threw the controller. I was like, I can't kill people!
You haven't played a first-person shooter
No, I
before.
started screaming.
You're gonna suck at anything,
Yeah. Did you delete my WoW character, by the way, Parker?
What?
Did you delete my WoW character?
He froze his account.
Oh, okay.
I'm running into
Sunday
me, damn it,
afternoon.
guy.
Name it Parker.
Say hi, Cody. That's Cody.
You just call me a bitch?
That's Cody.
Yeah,
Taking a video,
bitching me out like
obviously. I'm just talking to
Well, I
myself.
said you're glitching me out, bitch. And I
Look
was
at-
like,
No, you're not, dude. Don't lie.
I don't know. I heard you glitching
Shy.
me out, bitch.
I have to censor this.
Are you recording it?
No.
Why?
I don't know. Pictures were too difficult to take.
You should not record me playing Call of Duty.
Look, there are my feet. My feet and Shy's hair. Feet.
you're showing up behind your character.
Okay.